Okay, I like what you've done here. Choose your language. Okay. Camera or gallery. Oh, add stickers. Very novel. Cool filters. That's what I'm looking for. We've got occasions, flowers, masks, movie, sports. This looks like mainly a sticker app. Let's see what they got for text. I thought it was just in text mode. Ugh. 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 Is there a way to change these texts? Okay, there's some filters. Can I just go back? That's annoying, but I understand you gotta make money. Let's see. Boom! Selecting font. Robot. Great vibes. Hearts. Headhunter. Werewolf. Kind of a small font pack. I don't even see the most popular trendy stuff. Select font and color. Searching. Oh, this is an AI thing. I've never really worked with Ottipan. I guess it's some type of AI internet editor for you. Try and make stuff cool. I've definitely used worse. So, can I undo? Is there undo? There's undo. Oh, that's rotate. Stickers. Oh, whoops. Oops, exactly. Funny. Sounds like my boy's got some input he wants to put in there. Okay, well, I'm tired of this one. It's got some other features. That's about it.